Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Guys, let's take a look again at the gold market. So here you can see this picture stands a bit different compared to what we see on euro currency and cable. If there we have some bearish signs on intraday charts and maybe some dollar strength could come. As you know, the recent news that the Congress has adopted the 2.2 trillion liquidity measures. So now it's a question how they will be adopted and what will happen with this decision. And also that you know that Donald Trump has the positive test on COVID virus, so that has shaken market today a bit in the morning and shows demand for the safe haven assets, which is dollar, and you can see gold is also rising. So gold currently shows a bit different action compared to Forex. And as we warned you with the yesterday and 2 days ago, that do not hurry up with the taking the short position, despite the market has reached the resistance area. Wait for the clear patterns. If on the euro currency today we at least have some signs on the possible bearish patterns, here on the gold situation stands a bit different. So first of all, on the daily chart we haven't got the bearish grabber that we discussed here. This market just climbing higher, but at the same time, as you can see on the intraday chart, this market is still flirting, trying to pass through the confidence area. So the first area stands right here is market challenge that currently next cluster is 1935, 1937. So currently market still stands here inside of this range, and we can't say that breakout has happened, but in general, as overall price action shows no bearish environment yet, we repeat the same thing that on the gold market, it would be better to not take any short position. You could try to sell only, for example, if you expect really superb non-farm payrolls numbers. So in this case, you could try to take short position. But if you are following to the charts and you are making the decision based on the patterns that you have, so currently we think that it's not time yet and better to sit on the hands and see what will happen today and start preparation for trading on the next week. Because although overall background exists, the market could show more extended downside retracement in the perspective on 1-2 weeks. Currently, in the current moment, we can't say definitely based on the technical picture that it should start directly from that level. So on the hourly chart, you also could see that really nothing is going on. Market is just increasing the swings to the upside, showing this fast action, and well, you can't call it as some bearish pattern. So from that standpoint, it would be better to not trade, except maybe only if you would like to make the bet on the directly on the non-farm payrolls numbers. For bull traders is also nothing to do because, as I said, the previous momentum on the bearish swing on the daily chart still exists, and it would be better to wait for really resolving of this riddle, because we're still watching for 18 even area for taking the long position, also in perspective on 1-2 weeks probably. So it will be our primary area for where we will consider taking the long position. In the shorter term, you need to see the breakout of the major levels, I suppose, to make the decision on the maybe long entry, although I don't know what will happen around this area if market will break these resistance levels. So currently as well, I do not see clear stop for taking the long position as well. So on the gold market, probably today we have nothing to do.